Not everyone enjoys doing chores, staying organized, or constantly multitasking, and that's perfectly fine. In fact, some of the best Amazon gadgets exist for people who prefer doing less but still want to maintain comfort, efficiency, and convenience. Whether it's cleaning, organizing, or entertainment, these products are designed to make life effortless. From small tools that save time to tech that does the work for you, these gadgets embrace the art of laziness while still being genuinely useful. If you want to streamline your daily routines and embrace convenience without guilt, these 10 lazy Amazon gadgets are exactly what you need. Pure Enrichment Pure Zone Mini Portable Air Purifier. The Pure Enrichment Pure Zone Mini Portable Air Purifier is small but incredibly effective, offering clean air wherever you need it without any manual effort. Unlike bulky air purifiers, its compact design allows placement on a desk, bedside table, or in a car. It quietly removes dust, pollen, and allergens, creating a healthier breathing environment automatically. For people who hate remembering to maintain devices, this purifier is nearly self-sufficient, with simple controls and long-lasting filters. Many users mention that it dramatically improves indoor air quality while staying unobtrusive, making it ideal for apartments, offices, or even travel. It's a gadget that quietly works in the background, providing comfort with zero extra effort, perfect for anyone who prefers convenience over manual labor. Macally Cup Holder Tray. The Macally Cup Holder Tray might seem trivial, but it solves an everyday struggle effortlessly. Designed to clip onto car seats, it transforms ordinary cup holders into multifunctional trays for drinks, snacks, devices, and more. No more balancing your coffee while typing on a laptop or worrying about spills. Its durable design holds weight reliably, and the simple installation means you don't have to waste time fiddling with complicated mounts. For lazy commuters, parents, or anyone who wants a bit of order without constant rearranging, this accessory is surprisingly life-changing. It's a simple solution that reduces friction in daily routines, showing how small innovations can dramatically enhance comfort. Z8 Tactical Seatback Storage Organizer. The Z8 Tactical Seatback Storage Organizer is perfect for those who dislike clutter but still want everything accessible. It straps to the back of car seats and provides multiple compartments for electronics, water bottles, snacks, and even tablets. Installation is quick, and once it's in place, it eliminates constant searching for essentials. Families on long drives, solo commuters, or anyone who prefers keeping things neat with minimal effort will find it indispensable. Its tactical-inspired design adds durability, ensuring it can handle heavy usage without sagging or tearing. It's a gadget that organizes without requiring attention, turning chaotic spaces into effortlessly functional zones. Snow Mover. The Snow Mover is designed for people who dislike shoveling snow but still need their driveway or walkway cleared. Unlike traditional snow shovels, this gadget reduces effort by combining ergonomic design with efficient movement, letting users push or slide snow away with minimal strain. Some models even feature motorized assistance, cutting time and physical exertion dramatically. Homeowners, apartment dwellers, or anyone in snowy regions can maintain clear paths without the backache or exhaustion typically associated with winter chores. It's a device that takes a dreaded task and turns it into a simple, almost effortless activity, making cold mornings much more tolerable for anyone who dislikes doing anything physically demanding. Easy One Touch 4. The Easy One Touch 4 is a small kitchen gadget designed to automate the annoying parts of cooking and food preparation. Its one-touch functionality allows users to peel, chop, or process ingredients quickly without multiple steps or manual effort. Unlike bulky appliances, it's compact, easy to clean, and surprisingly versatile, making it suitable for anyone who dislikes spending time in the kitchen. Home cooks, busy professionals, and even students find that it reduces prep time while maintaining precision. For people who would rather avoid repetitive manual tasks, this gadget is a game changer. It proves that automation doesn't have to be complicated and can genuinely make life easier. Flux Keyboard. The Flux Keyboard is designed for anyone who wants an effortless typing experience while reducing mistakes and strain. Its ergonomic layout, customizable keys, and quiet switches allow prolonged use without discomfort or fatigue. Unlike traditional keyboards that require adjusting posture or hand positioning, Flux minimizes effort while improving efficiency. Gamers, professionals, and casual users all benefit from its thoughtful design, which emphasizes comfort without sacrificing performance. It's a gadget for people who hate repetitive strain, demonstrating that even routine tasks like typing can be made almost effortless with the right tools. Yeelight Cube. The Yeelight Cube is more than a decorative lamp, it's an automated mood enhancer that requires minimal interaction. With touch-sensitive controls and app integration, it adjusts color, brightness, and effects instantly without the need for complicated setups. Whether it's for relaxing at home, setting an ambient workspace, or enhancing gaming sessions, this cube adds a level of atmosphere that feels effortless to control. Users frequently highlight how it creates comfort without requiring constant attention, perfect for lazy evenings or productivity sessions that benefit from subtle environmental cues. It's a device that proves you can improve your surroundings with minimal effort while feeling like you've upgraded your space dramatically. Spira 3. The Spira 3 is a water blaster designed for maximum fun with minimum preparation or cleanup. Unlike traditional water guns, it features rechargeable batteries, high-pressure jets, and smart water management that reduces the need to constantly refill. It's ideal for hot days, backyard games, or spontaneous water fights, allowing users to enjoy summer without the effort of traditional setup or maintenance. Families, friends, or anyone seeking effortless entertainment appreciate the precision and power it delivers without any cumbersome steps. It's a gadget that turns ordinary leisure into an immersive experience, proving that even playtime can be lazy and convenient when done smartly. Super Hexa. Super Hexa is an all-in-one multi-tool designed to handle a surprising range of small tasks with minimal effort. Its compact design fits in a pocket or glove compartment, yet it includes screwdrivers, wrenches, and cutting tools that can tackle quick fixes around the home, car, or workspace. For people who dislike carrying multiple tools or spending time on minor repairs, it offers immediate accessibility and ease. The quality construction ensures durability, while the intuitive design minimizes the learning curve. It's a gadget that encourages efficiency for anyone who prefers avoiding unnecessary exertion, turning small emergencies or maintenance tasks into manageable, stress-free activities. VariShot. The VariShot is designed to automate a tedious but common task, measuring and mixing liquids accurately. With one-touch operation and clear, precise measurements, it removes the guesswork from cooking, cocktails, or DIY projects. Users can focus on other tasks while it handles routine accuracy, reducing spills, mistakes, and wasted effort. Its compact, sleek design makes it easy to store, and its reliability ensures consistent results without constant supervision. For people who dislike repetitive precision tasks, this gadget delivers convenience, reliability, and time savings, proving that even small devices can have a significant impact on everyday efficiency. If you enjoyed discovering these lazy Amazon gadgets, hit like, subscribe, and share with someone who appreciates smart, effortless tools. Leave a comment about which gadget you're most likely to add to your life, and stay tuned for more videos that uncover the products that make life easier, smarter, and surprisingly fun without extra effort.